YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, back with another video for you guys today, man. And before we get into this video, man, if you were new here, make sure that you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. We are on the way to 2,000 subscribers, man. Been showing great growth, man. Thank you to everybody who's been joining the channel. And if you are already joined and you want to show support, I don't ask for money, I don't ask for shout outs, none of that. All that I ask is that you show support by taking the half a second to go ahead, smash that like button. Really helps with the algorithms, helps bring more people to the channel. And then last but not least, take the time to go ahead, follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first, poll stories, questions, kicks of the day, all of that stuff, man. Now, let's get into this video. So I'm going to try to stay as calm as I can for this video, but it's going to be hard, man. This past weekend, the last couple of days, it has been announced that we are going to get an off-white Virgil Abloh collaboration with Jordan brand again. And this time, it's not going to be a Jordan 1. It's not going to be a Jordan 5. It's going to be a Jordan 2. And now, the reason why I want to talk about this sneaker right here is I am going through Instagram, right? That's where I do most of my, social media stuff, right? I don't really even use my actual real Instagram. I use mostly my anonymous Sneakerhead Instagram, and I'm going through Instagram, and this is what I'm seeing. Y'all better keep that same energy about twos when these drop out. I want them. Yo, I want these twos. Everyone says they don't like twos. Oh, these are going to be fire. These are going to be this. These are going to be that. But what's crazy to me is, how can every single person say, y'all better keep that same energy about those twos so I can get them, when if you go to each of those people's Instagrams and look at each of those people's collection, they never even touched the two, let alone put one on their foot. They never said nothing about a two. You ask them what their favorite Jordans are, they always say, I ain't nobody like twos. They skip over twos. Most people go, oh, I like ones, I like threes, I like fours, I like 11s, I like 10s. Those are most people's top fives. They skip right over the two at the beginning, right? They go, ones, threes, fours, 10s, 11s. Those are my top five, right? For me personally, it's 12s, fours, 5s, 6s, 3s. But regardless, twos aren't in my favorite and not in anybody's favorite, right? Nobody ever before this week. Go look back on Sneaker Instagram, on Sneaker YouTube. Nobody has said not a thing about any Air Jordan 2s ever since, I would say, I'll even give it up to a year after the last time some twos released. And the last two that I remember releasing was those Black History Month twos, maybe in 2018 or 2019. Those women's Black History Month twos released. Those are the last one I remember, and those were trash. They sat for almost a year. They were on sale. They were basically giving those away at sneaker stores. But now all of a sudden, here comes Virgil, right? Here comes Virgil. Here comes Off-White to put his stamp on it. He's going to give you a Chicago Jordan 2 low. Not even a regular Jordan 2. A Jordan 2 low. He's going to give you a Chicago Jordan 2 low. He's going to fake age the midsole so it looks crumbled, which is weird, right? Why would you? Anyways, he's going to fake age the midsole. He's going to put his little Off-White stamp on the inside of it and let a tag hang off the side. And now all of a sudden, you sneakerheads, man, I always like twos, man. Everybody better keep the same energy about twos. I've been a two collector forever. I love my twos. Da-da-da-da-da. Right? Come on, bro. Stop it. I'm letting you guys know right now, the anonymous Sneakerhead, I'm always 100% transparent with you guys, right? You guys can see my Jordans, right? There's a couple that aren't in here. I need to get more drop front boxes, but for the most part, I say 90% of my Jordans I keep in order, right? You can see my ones right here. I don't know if you guys can see on the camera the threes. It go right from 1 to 3. It skips over threes. But look, I got 1s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6. I don't like 7s, 8, 9. You know what I'm saying? There's a reason why I skip 2s. There's a reason why I don't have any 2s in there, because 2s are trash. Now, that being said, I did post on my Instagram story, right? The only Jordan 2 I want, there is one Jordan 2 that I want. And the reason being is, I told you guys in the past, one of my goals as a sneaker historian, sneaker collector, sneaker connoisseur, whatever you want to call it, one of my goals is to have at least one OG colorway of each Jordan silhouette, right? So I don't have any OG Jordan 1s, but I have the Black Cement 3s, I have the Fire Red 5s, the Bread 11s, the Carmine 6s, Flint 13s, right? So I am at some point gonna need to get hopefully, to me, the only one I really care about is the Chicago 2, and I don't even care about. I'll probably get the Chicago 2 and never wear it. Just like I have my Bread 11s. I probably won't ever wear my Bread 11s. I just want them because it's an OG 11, right? So that's the only one that I would see myself actually getting and keeping in the collection. But other than that, fuck Jordan 2s and fuck everybody that says they love Jordan 2s now, man. I always love Jordan 2s. Fuck what Virgil talking about. Don't nobody care about these sorry ass 2s, man. And then don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. I am going to go for them. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to enter for them retail. I'm not paying a penny more than retail for them. Right? I am going to go for them whenever they do get announced as releasing and all of that. I'll obviously actually enter for them. But you guys got to keep in mind, I am a sneaker YouTuber, right? And I'm not even talking about a lot of other sneaker YouTubers with this keep that same energy and da-da-da-da, but just random people in the sneaker community, right? Because you guys got to keep in mind, as sneaker YouTubers, it's just like, you know what I'm saying? It's beneficial to us to get every sneaker that we can and review it. And I'm not going to say half. I say maybe, if I'm being 100% honest, maybe 30%, 25, 30% of the sneakers that you guys see me review on this channel, I sell right after. They aren't mine. I trade right after the video's over. And this is going to be another one, man. If you guys see me reviewing an Off-White Air Jordan 2, just know that by the time this video is uploaded, it's probably already sold. Or at least already on GoDaddy. Or it's not even my pair, and I just know somebody else that got them and they let me review them. Just like the Off-White 5s. I never owned the Off-White 5s, but I did review them for you guys, man. But yo, at the end of the day, I don't care what Virgil got to say about nothing. These are trash, garbage. Jordan 2s are garbage. I don't care. I don't care if Jesus came back and made a Jordan 2 collaboration. Jordan 2s are garbage. I want nothing to do with them. I don't care if Michael Jordan himself, or I don't know if it was a trophy room 2 or whatever. I don't care. There is nothing you can do to a Jordan 2 to tell me, hey, these are the closest thing you could do to a Jordan 2 to make me even consider buying it was the Jordan 32, where they kind of remade the 2. Those were all right, but these things right here are hot garbage, bro. Hot garbage. Jordan 2s are already bad to begin with, and he made it worse, crumbling the midsole, putting a stamp that you can't even see the whole stamp on the side of it. Bro, everyone talking about, oh, keep that same energy, keep that same energy. This is my problem, bro. If everybody's saying keep that same energy, every single person, right? Then that means, who did they see with that energy? You see what I'm saying? Every single person is saying keep that same energy. Keep that same energy. I want my 2s. Keep that same energy. I want my Off-White 2s. Where have you been the last 20 years with a single 2? Matter of fact, Jordan 2 came out in what, 89? I believe 89 was the Jordan 2. I might be wrong. 88, I think. I think 88 was the Jordan 2. Regardless, right? Where have you been the last, what is that, 30 years? 31 years, whatever it is, 40 years. I'm terrible at math right now. We're 32 years, 33, sorry. Where have you been the last 33 years with a Jordan 2? Talking about, oh yeah, I love these 2s. Where have you been the only people that I know for a fact, like, could say, all right, like, I got Jordan 2s in my collection, or like someone like Polos and J's, or Jumpman Bostic, or even like a UBK or Hess Kicks, or one of those guys or the Perfect Pair, or DJ Khaled, one of those guys who has literally like 1,000 pairs of sneakers. Okay, they probably got 2s in there. Cool. But for me, I got like my whole collection, I think I got to count again, around like 85-ish, something like that. Right, maybe closer to 90, around there. I don't got no 2s. I don't need no 2s except for the Chicago 2s. And not these Off-White Chicago 2s, and especially not them blue, whatever. Hell no. Hell no. Yo, all right. Listen, this rant is going over. But yo, at the end of the day, the hype beast that everybody is coming out right now with this Virgil release, because nobody ever thought about a Virgil or about a Jordan 2, right? It's different. It's different if we're talking about the Off-White 1, right? People wear Jordan 1s, the Off-White 1, cool. Super, super dope, because you get the Off-White collaboration with the 1. Same thing with the 5. People wore 5, especially when they came out right around the same time as the Fire Red 5s. And, you know what I'm saying, the Metallic 5s are dope. Cool. Not even just the 50 dunks, but the older Off-White dunks. Like, cool. Like, people wore dunks. You know what I'm saying? Dunks been around. We rock with dunks. You know what I'm saying? Cool, he makes some off-white dunks. All right, cool. That's going to put some hype on there, right? But nobody wore Jordan 2s before. Now, all of a sudden, Jordan 2s are going to be the wave. And I understand next year we are going to be getting a lot of Jordan 2s releasing. And I'm letting y'all know right now, the only one that I'm going for to keep for myself is the Chicago Jordan 2. I said it before, I'll say it again. The only Jordan 2, if we are getting a lot of Jordan 2s releasing next year, like they say, the only one that I'll be going for myself to keep is the Chicago Jordan 2. If we get that, you know what I'm saying? If we get that, that's the only one I'll be going for myself. That being said, I'll probably go for all of them to review for you guys, for all of the fake hype beasts and all of the fake sneakerheads out there. Oh, I always love Jordan 2s. I want to get Jordan 2s. All right, I'll go for them for you guys, right? But the only ones that I want to get to keep is the Chicagos, man. At the end of the day, y'all are ridiculous. Looking through my Instagram is pissing me off, right? I can't wait until, I'm trying to think of another shoe. I can't wait until Virgil comes out with an Air Monarch, you know what I'm saying, or a Nike Decade, or something like that, something that no one wears, and to see everyone's hype about it. I can't wait till Virgil comes out with a Croc, and now all of a sudden all y'all wearing Crocs, right? It's ridiculous, man. That's all I got for this video. I've been rambling, man. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. This has been pissing me off the last couple of days, but I had to go ahead and make this video. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments, man. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead. If you are new here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the Anonymous Sneakerhead family. Join the channel. Also, if you are subscribed and you want to support, all that I ask is that you take the half a second to go ahead, smash that like button. It really helps with the algorithms. Helps bring more people to the channel, man. All of that stuff. And then last but not least, take the time to go ahead, follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first. You know what I'm saying? Post stories, questions, kicks of the day, all of that stuff. But that is it for this video, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. And as always, it's all about the sneakers.